Hello and welcome to Daily Beginner English.
I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. And today is going to be so good.
We are talking about three tiny words that confuse almost every English learner on the planet.
Be, been, being.
Just three words, but so much power inside them.
They're like the three little monsters of English grammar.
Monsters. Tom, that's dramatic.
Is it, though? Tell me, how many times have you stopped mid-sentence because you didn't know which one to use?
Every single day when I was learning.
Exactly. So today, no monsters, just friends.
We are going to make be, been, and being feel easy, natural, and fun.
And by the end of this video, you will actually want to use these words.
So grab your coffee, your tea, or your snack.
Settle in.
And let's go.
Don't forget to hit the like button
and make sure you subscribe right now. Okay, Tom, before we explain anything, I want to try something fun.
Ooh, I'm nervous. What is it?
I'm going to say sentences. You tell me, does it sound natural or weird?
Okay, I'm ready.
Sentence 1. I want to be a good cook.
Natural. Totally natural.
Sentence 2.
Don't forget to hit the like button
and make sure you subscribe right now. I have been cooking all morning.
Also natural. Beautiful sentence.
Sentence 3. I am being very careful with the salt today.
Also natural and very relatable. I always put too much salt.
Tom, why? Why always the salt?
I don't know. My hand it believes in salt.
Okay. But did you notice? 3 sentences, 3 different words, be, been, being, but they all sounded natural.
And that's exactly what we want for our learners today. Not just to understand the rules, but to feel them.
Because when you feel the language, you speak with confidence.
Not perfection, confidence.
Always confidence first.
Don't forget to hit the like button
and make sure you subscribe right now.
Okay, let's get into it. Nice and easy, no stress.
Think of be, been, and being like 3 members of the same family.
Oh, I like this. Family analogy. Let's do it.
Be is like the youngest child, full of dreams, always talking about the future, about wishes, about possibilities.
Ben is the wise older sibling. They've traveled. They've experienced things. They have stories.
Oh, and being? Being is the teenager, always in the middle of something right now, always changing.
That's actually perfect. Be equals dreams. Been equals experience. Being equals right now.
Let's look at each one closely.
Don't forget to hit the like button
and make sure you subscribe right now.
Be is the base, the root, the starting point.
We use be when we talk about wishes, dreams, goals, advice, and instructions.
For example, I want to be a doctor one day.
That's a dream. I'm not a doctor yet, but it's my goal.
Or be careful on the stairs.
Advice. Short, clear, direct.
Or try to be patient with yourself.
Aw, that one is my favorite. So kind.
Here's an important thing. Be doesn't live in a specific time. It's free. It floats.
Be is a free spirit.
A very grammatically important free spirit. Don't forget to hit the like button and
make sure you subscribe right now. Okay, listeners, your turn. Say this out loud with us.
I want to be fill in the blank.
Maybe, I want to be confident in English.
Maybe, I want to be healthy.
Maybe, I want to be the best version of myself.
Beautiful. All of those are correct. All natural. Be equals your goal, your wish, your direction. Don't forget to hit the like button
and make sure you subscribe right now. Now, been.
The one that makes people go, wait, which one do I use again?
Wait, which one do I use again?
Yes, that face. We've all made that face.
But today, no more confusion. Let's fix been forever.
Been always talks about experience or duration, something that started in the past and connects to now.
And been, this is very important, been never stands alone.
It always needs a partner, have or has. Don't forget to hit the like button
And make sure you subscribe right now.
Think of been as someone who is afraid of being alone. It always holds hands with have or has.
Been is clingy.
So clingy. For example, I have been sick this week.
What does that mean?
It means this week started, I got sick, and I'm still feeling it now. The experience continues.
Or, she has been working very hard lately.
She started working hard some time ago, and she's still doing it. The effort continues.
Another beautiful one. I have been to Paris.
Ooh, not I went to Paris yesterday, not I am in Paris now.
But I experienced Paris. I was there. That experience is part of my life.
Been equals your life story, your experience, your journey.
Say it with us. I have been learning English for a long time.
That sentence carries so much time, effort, dedication.
And if you're watching this video right now, that sentence is true for you.
Aw, and that's something to be proud of.
Don't forget to hit the like button
And make sure you subscribe right now.
Okay, last one. Being.
My personal favorite.
Why is it your favorite?
Because being is so emotional. It talks about right now, this moment, this behavior.
When we use being, we're usually talking about temporary behavior, something happening now that might change later.
For example, you're being so kind today.
What does that mean?
It means right now, in this moment, you are kind. Maybe you're not always like this.
But today, yes.
Compare these two. She is quiet versus she is being quiet.
Ooh, the first one, she is quiet. That sounds like her personality. She's always quiet.
But she is being quiet? That means today is different. Something is happening.
Maybe she's sad. Maybe she's thinking. Maybe she's tired.
Being notices the change. It's gentle. It's observant.
Another example. Stop being so hard on yourself.
Oh, I love that one because it means right now you're being too critical, but you don't have to be.
Being is what's happening right now, the temporary moment, the behavior of this moment.
Okay, now let's bring all three words to life with real situations. Are you ready?
So ready.
Situation number 1. Tom's morning disaster.
Oh no. Is this a real story?
Completely made up. Probably.
Okay, go ahead.
Tom wakes up late. He is running around the house. He can't find his keys. He burned his toast. His coffee is cold.
Why are you describing my life?
And then his friend calls and asks, Tom, are you okay?
And Tom says, I've been having the worst morning.
Been, because it started this morning and it's still happening.
Then his friend says, just be calm. Take a breath. You'll be fine.
Be, advice, instruction. Here's how to act.
And Tom says, I know, I'm trying. I'm being very patient right now.
Being, because in this moment, right now, Tom is trying to be patient.
3 words, one very bad morning, all natural.
Beautiful. Now, situation 2. Lily's first day at work.
Oh, this'll be good.
Imagine Lily starts a new job. She's nervous. Her heart is going fast. She walks in the door.
Her manager says, welcome. Just be yourself. Everyone here is friendly.
Aw, be yourself. Such simple advice, but so important.
And Lily thinks, Okay, I have been preparing for this for months. I can do it.
Been. The preparation happened in the past, but the confidence lives now.
After 1 week, a colleague says, Lily, you are being amazing at this job.
Being. Right now, this week, this moment. Temporary, but real.
And Lily says, thank you. I want to be the best I can be.
Be appears twice. Goals and dreams.
See? Real life, real sentences, real English.
Okay, situation 3. The difficult conversation.
Ooh, emotional.
2 friends, one is upset, the other is confused.
Friend A says, you have been very distant lately. Is everything okay?
Been. Something that started some time ago and continues until now.
Friend B says, I'm sorry. I know I'm being a bit quiet these days.
Being. Right now, temporary behavior.
Friend A says, it's okay. Just be honest with me. I'm here for you.
Oh, B. Advice. Gentle guidance.
That conversation is so real, so human.
And learners, notice nobody in that conversation was thinking about grammar.
They were just feeling the words.
That's the goal. Feel the words. Speak from your heart.
Okay, mistake time. And we do mistakes with love here.
Always with love, no judgment.
Mistake number 1. Very common. People say, I am been tired.
We hear this a lot, and it's such a natural mistake.
The person is thinking past plus present, which is correct, but the structure is wrong.
We don't say am plus been, we say have been.
So the correct sentence is, I have been tired today.
Remember, been is clingy. It holds hands with have or has, not am.
Never am. Am is for being.
I am being careful. That's correct.
I have been careful today. Also correct.
I am being careful. Not correct, but a beautiful try.
Mistake number 2. People say, I am be happy.
I've heard this, and I understand completely why.
But be doesn't go after am. We say, I want to be happy, or I am happy.
Am and be don't stand together like that.
They had an argument. They don't walk together.
Tom, that is not a grammar rule.
But they'll remember it.
Fine. Am and be had a fight. They don't walk together. Moving on.
Mistake 3. Avoiding being completely because it feels complicated.
This is the saddest mistake.
Learners just skip it. They never say, I am being.
But learners, being is your friend. It makes you sound natural, advanced, real.
When you say, you are being so kind, wow, that is beautiful English.
Don't avoid it. Embrace it.
Being is not scary. Being is just now.
Okay, vocabulary review time. Let's pick our 5 key words from today.
I love this part. Ready, everyone? Repeat after us.
Word 1. Be.
B is a goal. B is a dream. B is advice.
I want to be fluent in English.
Please be patient.
Try to be yourself.
Your turn. Say it. I want to be, fill in the blank, out loud.
Don't be shy. Say it, even if you're alone.
Word 2, been.
Been needs a partner. Have been or has been.
I have been practicing English every day.
She has been working very hard.
We have been friends for 10 years.
Aw, that last one is sweet.
I know, I made it emotional on purpose.
Your turn. Say it. I have been. Finish the sentence. Word 3. Being. B-E-I-N-G. Being.
Being equals right now, this moment, temporary behavior.
I am being honest with you.
Stop being so hard on yourself.
You are being very kind today.
Your turn. I am being... What are you being right now?
Maybe you are being patient. Maybe you are being focused. Maybe you are being amazing.
All correct.
Word 4. Experience. X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E. Experience.
Ben often talks about experience, something you lived, something you felt.
I have been to many countries. It was a great experience.
Learning English is a wonderful experience.
Your turn. I have had the experience of... What have you experienced?
Word 5. Temporary. Temporary. Temporary.
Being talks about something temporary, something that can change.
He is being quiet today. It's temporary.
This feeling is temporary. Tomorrow will be better.
And learners, if English feels hard right now, that difficulty is also temporary.
Aw, you will get better, we promise.
Okay, let's bring everything together. Clean and simple.
Be, been, being. 3 family members.
Be, dreams, goals, wishes, advice, instructions. No specific time. Open, free. I want to be confident. Be careful. Try to be kind.
Been, experience, duration, something that started in the past and connects to now. Always with have or has. I have been learning English for months. She has been very busy lately. We have been to that cafe before.
Being, right now. Temporary behavior. Something happening in this moment. I am being honest. You are being so helpful. Stop being so nervous. You're doing great.
And the most important lesson of today?
English is not about perfection.
It's about connection.
Be helps you say where you want to go.
Been helps you say where you've been.
Been helps you say where you've been. That's a bit obvious.
I didn't even plan that.
And being helps you say who you are right now, in this moment.
Use them. Make mistakes. Fix them. Use them again.
That is the English journey. Don't forget to hit the like button
And make sure you subscribe right now.
Okay, it's your turn now. We love hearing from you.
Here is your question for today, and we want you to answer in the comments.
Ready?
Use all 3 words, be, been, and being in 3 sentences about your English journey.
For example, you could say, I want to be fluent in English one day. I have been watching this channel for months. I am being very focused while studying today.
Now you try. Write your 3 sentences below. We read every comment.
Honestly, we do. We love reading your stories.
And if you see someone else's comment, give them a like. Support each other. This is a community.
A community of learners, and learners are the best kind of people.
Oh, wow, what an episode.
I genuinely love this topic. Every time we talk about it, I feel something.
What do you feel?
Hope. For every person watching who used to freeze when they heard these words, and now they feel a little less scared.
That's the whole reason we do this.
So if this video helped you, even a tiny bit, please give it a like. It really helps more people find us.
And subscribe to Daily English Talk if you haven't already. We are here every day.
With real conversations,
Real emotions.
and real English. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.
Keep speaking. Keep learning.
And remember,
You are being amazing. You have been amazing.
and you will always be amazing. Bye.